Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best silicone cups is probably one of the most versatile and convenient additions to your bento box or lunch packing routine, offering a practical and eco-friendly alternative to disposable plastic or foil dividers. These reusable cups are designed to keep your food neatly separated, preventing flavors from mingling and making your meals more organized and visually appealing. Whether you're packing a healthy lunch for work, a fun snack for your kids, or a variety of treats for a picnic, these silicone cups provide a flexible solution that fits seamlessly into any meal prep strategy, ensuring your food stays fresh and delicious throughout the day. Number 5. Amazon Basics Reusable Silicone Baking Cups. Introducing Amazon Basics Reusable Silicone Baking Cups. Say goodbye to disposable liners and hello to effortless baking. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, these cups are designed for repeated use. They are safe for your family and kind to the planet. Enjoy truly non-stick performance. Food releases easily without the need for greasing or cooking spray, making cleanup a breeze. These flexible cups work with any standard muffin pan and are safe for your oven, microwave, and freezer. They resist stains and odors, ensuring long-lasting use. Cleaning up is incredibly simple. Even stubborn messes wash away easily with soap and water, or simply place them in the dishwasher. Available in a pack of 12 assorted colors, these cups add a touch of fun to your baking, lunch, or snack preparations. What we like. These are your classic, reliable silicone baking cups. They are incredibly versatile, handling everything from baking to snacks. If you're looking for a straightforward, durable option for everyday use and don't need fancy shapes or colors, these are a great choice. What people say. There is zero sticking with these, so the muffins come out easily. They also bake more evenly, preventing burned bottoms and uncooked centers. They are very sturdy and very easy to use. The thickness is great, it takes a lot to tear these. The colors are bright and colorful, not like the dull color paper ones. They fit perfectly in a standard size muffin tin. They prove to be non-stick and very easy to use. The durability of these silicone liners is impressive, making them feel like a great buy. After using them, I washed the liners in the dishwasher on the top rack, and they came out perfectly clean without any issues. Number 4. IELEK 36-pack Silicone Cupcake Liners. Make mealtime exciting with our vibrant, rainbow-colored liners. They come in square, rectangle, and round shapes, perfect for brightening up any lunchbox and making healthy eating fun for everyone. Say goodbye to messy paper liners. These non-stick silicone cups make releasing your baked goods a breeze. Enjoy easy cleanup and save time and money with every use. Crafted from 100% food-grade silicone, these liners are free from harmful chemicals. They are safe for use in the microwave, oven, refrigerator, and dishwasher, offering a durable and eco-conscious alternative. Beyond cupcakes and muffins, these versatile cups are great for portion control snacks, quick breakfasts, and even chocolate desserts. Discover endless possibilities for your kitchen creations. We're confident you'll love them. Enjoy a 24-month warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee for complete peace of mind. Get yours today and elevate your baking. What we like. If you want to make mealtime more exciting, especially for kids, these are the ones to get. The variety of shapes and bright colors are fantastic for picky eaters and add a fun element to bento boxes. Choose these if you prioritize making food visually appealing and easy to manage. What people say. Baked perfect. Literally popped out of the silicone without breaking or leaving anything behind. Both hot out of the oven and cooled off, they removed with a simple lifting of the cupcake. No loosening the edges, nope. No broken corners. Just perfectly baked, perfectly shaped little cakes. They hold their shape so well. I bought these to separate out foods in my children's lunches. They are the perfect size for portioning. The cups clean pretty easily. I just pop them in the dishwasher easy peasy. Once you let the cornbread, muffin, etc. cool, they come off smoothly. These silicone cupcake liners are such a handy addition to my kitchen. The set comes with 36 reusable liners, which is perfect for baking batches of muffins, cupcakes, or even snacks. They're completely non-stick, so baked goods pop right out without needing extra oil or paper liners. I also love using them as dividers in lunch boxes. They're great for holding fruit, veggies, or small snacks without mixing flavors. Cleanup is super easy since they're dishwasher safe, and they hold their shape well after many uses. Number 3. Silicone cupcake liners for baking. Make baking a joyful experience for you and your children. These liners add excitement with their fun shapes and vibrant colors, perfect for family bonding. Crafted from food-grade silicone, these reusable cups are non-toxic and safe for everyone. Enjoy countless creative moments without worrying about wear and tear. Cleanup is a breeze as these non-stick molds are dishwasher safe. Spend less time cleaning and more time creating cherished memories with your loved ones. These molds are incredibly versatile, perfect for mini desserts, frozen treats, or even organizing small items. Turn everyday tasks into opportunities for learning and teamwork. Ideal for family gatherings or school projects, this set comes in a standard size with 24 pieces. Let your children explore their creativity and make every baking session memorable. Enjoy a perfect bake every time with their greaseproof and non-stick features. They ensure your creations come out beautifully without sticking. What we like. These are perfect for family baking sessions and encouraging kids' creativity in the kitchen. The playful shapes like stars and hearts make baking an enjoyable activity for children. If you're looking for a way to bond with your kids over baking and want something safe, fun, and easy to clean, these are ideal. What people say. The roses pop right out. The hearts look like hearts. These are fun and easy to use and clean, and they don't take much space to store. Not one filled silicone liner tipped, spilled, or lost shape. Every muffin popped out of the silicone liner easily. Every muffin, even the roses, were perfectly molded. Number 2. The Silicone Kitchen Reusable Baking Cups. Introducing our set of 12 reusable baking cups, perfect for your everyday baking needs. They come in a variety of attractive colors to brighten up your kitchen. Crafted from food-grade silicone, these cups are completely non-toxic and BPA-free, meeting strict safety standards. You can bake with confidence knowing they are safe for your family. Say goodbye to sticky messes. These baking cups are naturally non-stick, making cleanup a breeze. They are completely dishwasher safe, or you can simply wash them by hand with soap and water. Enjoy ultimate convenience with these versatile cups. They are safe for use in your microwave, air fryer, oven, and freezer. You can even use them freestanding without a muffin tin. Designed in a regular size, each cup measures 3 inches across the top and 1.25 inches in height. They are ideal for use on a baking sheet or within most standard muffin tins. These baking cups come conveniently packaged in a reusable cotton mesh produce bag, making them a thoughtful and gift-worthy item for any baking enthusiast. What we like. For those who appreciate a more refined aesthetic in their kitchen, these offer a sophisticated color scheme. They come with a reusable cotton mesh bag, adding a touch of eco-conscious style. If you prefer a clean, minimalist look and value thoughtful packaging, these are a great option. What people say. These silicone cups are a great addition to my bento box. They are easy to clean and reuse. The variety of colors in this set is fantastic, making my bento box visually appealing. The size of these cups is perfect for holding small snacks or dips, fitting snugly into the bento box compartments. Number 1. LunchBots Silicone Bento Cup Set. These bento cups are custom sized to fit perfectly within the sections of your medium and large bento boxes. Enjoy a neat and organized lunch every time. Prevent liquids from mixing with other foods, ensuring your crackers and snacks stay delightfully crisp. It's the perfect solution for maintaining the freshness of your lunch. Crafted from the highest quality, food-grade silicone, these cups are safe for your family and built to last. You can trust in their superior quality for everyday use. Cleanup is a breeze with these dishwasher-safe cups. Simply place them in the dishwasher for a quick and easy cleanup after your meal. This set of 7 blue and aqua silicone bento cups is designed to enhance your bento box experience. They are essential accessories for any packed lunch. What we like. These are specifically designed for bento boxes, ensuring a snug fit and preventing leaks between food compartments. If your main goal is to keep different foods separate and maintain the crispness of items like crackers, these are your best bet. They are perfect for anyone who packs lunches regularly and wants organized, fresh meals. What people say. Great for organizing and separating food in the LunchBots bento box. They fit well and don't move around a lot. Easy to wash and holds its shape unlike my other silicone shapes. These help keep everything separated and organized in my daughter lunchbox. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.